Good morning, student of class 7. I am your computer teacher Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 2, number system. Okay, chapter number 2, number system. This is the syllabus of the first term examination, and I have already completed chapter number 1, chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. And today I am going to start chapter number 2, which is number system. Okay, and this chapter is very important, and all of you have to read each and every chapter very carefully for your first term examination. Okay, this is the content of this chapter. In this video I am going to discuss decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay, so these four content I am going to discuss in this video, and this chapter is very important. That's why all of you have to concentrate in this chapter. Okay, now move on to the main topic. So number system consists of set of values. Okay, set of values. Number system consists of set of values. The number system was introduced in the with the passage of time. There are four types of number system. Okay, there are four types of number system. First is decimal number system, second is binary number system, third is octa number system, and last is hexadecimal number system. Okay, so there are four types of number system. So first number system is decimal number system. The decimal number system is most commonly used number system. Okay, the most commonly used number system is decimal number system. For example, to know the number of student in your school, you simply count the student one by one. The number system is used here is the decimal number system. Okay, the decimal number system. Now the important part of this decimal number system is the decimal number system consists of 10 digits. Okay, remember 10 digits. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits, and the base, this is very important, the base of the decimal number is 10. The base of the decimal number is 10, and it consists of 0 to 9 digit. Okay, 0 to 9 digit. Any quantity greater than 9 is represented by the contribution of 2 or more digits. So the main important thing is the decimal number is consists of 10 digits, and the base of the decimal number is 10. Okay, remember the base of the decimal number is 10. Okay, next is, here you can see a number 642. Okay, the rightmost digit is called least now a significant digit. Okay, there 2, that means 2. Okay, 2 is the rightmost digit, and it's called the least significant digit, and the leftmost digit is called most significant digit, which is 6. Okay, so that means 642, 2 is the rightmost number and 6 is the leftmost number. Okay, and here you can see 2 multiply by 10. Why multiply by 10? Because 10 is the base. Okay, 10 is the base of decimal number system. Okay, 10 is the base of decimal number system. 10 is the base. Okay, and here you can see the positional value. Okay, 10 to the power 0, 0, 0 is the positional value. When we move from right to left, the positional value is increased. Okay, the positional value is increased. Here you can see 10 to the power 0, then come 4 multiply 10 to the power 1. Okay, and then 6 multiply 10 to the power 2. When we move from right to left, the positional value also increase. Okay, the positional value is also increased, and we multiply by 10 because 10 is the base of decimal number system. Okay, and you can see the positional value of each digit increase as we move from right to left. Since its base is 10, we multiply each digit with 10. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand this concept. Okay, next is binary number system. Okay, so the binary number system consists of two digits, 0 and 1. We all know that the binary number system consists of 0 and 1. Okay, and hence the binary number system base is 2. Okay, the decimal number system base is 10 and the binary number system base is 2. Okay, the language understood by the computer is binary language. Therefore, instructions given to the computer are converted into the binary language. Okay, so here you can see a number 101. Okay, and 1 is the rightmost number and this one is the leftmost number. Okay, and the base is the 2. Binary digit base is 2, so we multiply each number by 2, and this is the positional value. When we move from right to left, the positional value is increased. Here you can see 0 1 2. Okay, the base of number system is the number of digit used in it. Okay, so the main important thing is the binary number consists of two numbers, which is 0 and 1, and the base of the binary number is 2. Okay, now this is the most important part of this chapter. Okay, conversion of decimal number system into binary number system. Okay, decimal number system into binary number system, that means we convert decimal number into a binary number. Okay, so you have to follow some rules. So first of all, step 1, divided the given number by 2. Why 2? Because the binary base is 2. Okay, the binary number base is 2, so we need to divide it, the number by 2. Okay, so here you can see the example is 25 and the base is 10, so we can easily identify that this number is belongs to decimal number system, because this number 25 has the base is 10, so this number is decimal number system, and we convert this 25 number into the binary number system, because this is the base 2. Okay, here you can see the base 10 indicates that decimal number system and the base 2 indicates the binary number system. So you need to convert decimal number system into binary number system. Okay, so we can easily identify the number by their base. Okay, by their base. So here you can see the conversion is already done here. Okay, 25 we need to divide 25 by 2. Okay, so if we when we divided 25 by 2, then the remainder is 1. Okay, then you need to repeat these steps. Okay, then you need to repeat these steps. 12 divided by 2, then remainder is 0. 6 divided by 2, then remainder is 0. Then 3 divided by 2, then remainder is 1, then 1. Okay, and you need to write this number from bottom to up, bottom to up. Okay, so first is 1. Here you can see the binary number is there. Okay, 1101. Okay, so when we convert 25 decimal number into binary number system, the binary number system is 11001. Okay, next is conversion binary number system into decimal number system. Okay, the previous is decimal number system into binary number system, and now binary number system to decimal number system. So example number 1001 is the binary number system, and we need to convert this number into decimal number system. Here you can see the base is 10, so we need to convert this number into decimal number system. So this is the rightmost number and this is the leftmost number, and we need to multiply by 2. Okay, we need to multiply by 2, and this is the positional value 0 1 2 3. So when we move from right to left, then the positional value is increases. Okay, so 2 to the power 0 is equal to 0 into 1. Okay, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2 into 0, so 0. Okay, 1 0 0 8, so total is 9. So this is the binary number and this is the decimal number. Okay, the next example is 1001001. 10. Okay, this is the binary number, and we need to convert this binary number into decimal number system because the base is 10. Okay, and we need to multiply by 2, and the positional value is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3, and the number is comes here. Okay, and the addition is 10. So the conversion of decimal number is 10 and the base is 10. Okay, next is octal number system. Okay, octal number system. The octal number consists of 8 digits. Okay, the decimal number system consists of 10 digits, the binary number system consists of 2 digits, and the octal number system consists of 8 digits. Okay, which is 0 to 7. Okay, the base of octal number system is 8. Okay, 8 is the base of the octal number system. And now conversion of octal number system into decimal number system, octal number system to decimal number system. Okay, so this is the example 345. 345 is the octal number because here you can see the base is 8. Okay, and we need to convert this octal number into decimal number system. Okay, here you can see we can easily identify that this is we need to convert this number into decimal number system because here you can see the base of 10. Okay, base is 10. So same process. Okay, this is the rightmost number, this is the leftmost number, and we need to multiply by 8 because 8 is the base of the octal decimal number, and this is the positional value. When we increase from right to left, the position value is increased. Okay, so 8 to the power 5 multiplied by 8, so 8 to the power 0 is equal to 0 in 5. 8 to the power 1 into multiply by 4, so 8 to the power 1 is equal to 8, and 8 4 ja 32. Okay, next 8 to the power 2 is equal to 64, and 64 multiplied by 3, so 192. Okay, the total is 229. Okay, so 345 decimal octal number convert into the decimal number system is 229. Okay, next is hexadecimal number system. Okay, so hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digit. Okay, 16 digit. The hexadecimal number consists of 16 digit. So 0 to 9 and the letter A to F represent 10. 0 to 9 is digit. Okay, 0 to 9 is digit. After 9, 10, 10 represent A. Okay, A represented by 10. Okay, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, and 14 is E, and 15 is F. Okay, so 10 is A, 11 is B. Okay, so after 9 digit, the letters will represent the numbers. Okay, 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. Okay, so A to F, A to F. And here you can see some example of hexadecimal number system: 54A, 64A, 40D2. Okay, so these are the example of hexadecimal number system. So the important thing is hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digit, and the first 0 to 9 is digit. After 9, 10 is represented by A, 11 is represented by B, 12 is represented by C, 13 is represented by D, and 14 is represented by E, and 15 is represented by F. Okay, now the conversion of hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. We all know that the most commonly used number system is what? Decimal number system. Okay, so here you can see the example is 4D2. So here you can see D means 13. Okay, D means 13. Here you can see D 13 is represented by D. Okay, so D means 13. So first number is 2. 2 multiplied by 16. Why 16? 16 is the base of hexadecimal number system. Okay, 16 is the base of hexadecimal number system. Next is D. D represented by 13 number. So D is equal to 13. Okay, D is equal to 13. 13 multiplied by 16. So 208. Okay, and next is 4 multiplied by 16 to the power 2. 16 to the power 2. 16 to the power 2 is equal to 256. Okay, 16 to the power 2 is equal to 256 into 4 is 1024. Okay, 1024. So addition of all this number is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is the hexadecimal number, and when we convert this hexadecimal number 4D to the decimal numbers is 1 2 3 4. Okay, all of you have to practice some example of like this. Okay, then you will understand how to convert decimal number into binary number system, binary number to decimal number system, octal number to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, so all of you have to practice it. So I hope that all of you understand today's topic, and all of you need to read this very carefully and also practice it at home. Okay, you need to practice some more conversion, then you will understand how to convert binary number system to decimal number system, decimal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, so today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will continue the chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.